Now let's cover the TrimExtend command, a very useful tool for adjusting lines, walls, and similar elements in Revit. If I extend this little wall down here to connect to the one above, I click first on the reference here, and then on the wall that I want to extend. Let's try the same on another wall. Select this reference line, then extend the wall on the left, and suddenly I get a message that says, walls overlap each other. But where? I cannot see any wall. Okay, I will help. Remember that not all elements on a specific floor are visible in a floor plan. This happens when they are above the floor level, like ceilings or that wall, when we switch to the 3D view. And this is actually the one that overlaps. Back to the command. Now let's extend these three walls up to the external wall on that side. I click on this face as my reference and select one wall to extend. Then to extend the next, I need to select the reference again, and just after the wall. So it's fine if I just have 3 walls, but if I had 50, it would take a long time. For that reason, we have TrimExtend command for multiple elements, which is the one located next to the right. With this, we select the reference as before, and then click on the walls one by one to extend towards the reference. Now, I want to show you how I can trim walls using the same command. Let's have the example here. There are 3 vertical walls and 1 horizontal. I want to trim these sections. For that, I'm going to use this reference line. Then I need to select a section of the wall that I want to keep, and it's indicated by this dashed line. When I click, the rest is erased. Then, for the next, select the reference again and click on the section to keep. But for multiple walls, it's exactly the same way as extending walls. And this time, I'm going to keep the segments above. Also, sometimes when I want to trim, I get messages that the elements in orange can't stay joined. It's just a warning message, and if that is what you actually want, you can click on Unjoin Elements. There is also a command to extend or trim to a corner. This is very intuitive. I click on the command, then I just select 2 walls, and they will extend towards their intersecting point. If I try to do it here, also notice that you have a preview before clicking, but in this case it's not possible to erase that part, as there are doors and windows on that external wall. I can also click on 2 walls that intersect. I create a corner there, but why was the left part erased instead of the right? Because it keeps the side that I select.